If there is no 12-volt power to appliances, we first need to check to see if the LED lights are illuminated. If they are not, you will need to start the generator. The generator start panel is located below the window at the end of the seating area. Press the on/off button and then press and hold the start button until the generator is running. Once started, the lights should illuminate after around 30 seconds. There should be power to the appliances. The generator should then be left to run for its full 3-hour cycle to charge the battery. If the lights do not illuminate, you will need to call out an engineer to diagnose the issue. If they are illuminated but you still have no 12-volt power to the appliances, you will need to check the fuses. The fuse box is located inside the seating area, against the back wall. To access it, simply remove the top of the seat. If any have blown, replace them with a fuse of the same amperage. If the appliances still have no power, you will need to call out an engineer to diagnose the issue.